the lengths we will go to help accommodate. But there's a good vision there. I like that, right?
Yeah,
that's part of
hopefully he's more
keeping him
comfortable.
Yeah. My horse is a fan of alfalfa, but I'm not sure if giraffes really like it the same way.
Different route for them. We were talking about the challenge in the first zoo with the extreme weather temperatures. We're finally coming out of our cold snap here.
Yeah, we've got kind of one more cold day coming up tomorrow, but overall this week is a lot more normal temperatures for January than we saw, for example, over the weekend. But out there today was a bit of a split state forecast. If you were south of the Bangor area, it was mostly cloudy throughout the day, even some overcast spots, especially near in Portland. But if you were north of the Bangor area, plenty of sunshine throughout the day. So a bit of a split state we've got going on there. But we are watching some snow showers that are going to be heading towards our area over the next couple of hours. Now, these are going to be pretty light in nature and overall aren't going to have a ton of accumulation. Excuse me, difficult word there today. Right now, the snow showers are in southern New Hampshire and into Massachusetts, and over the next couple hours, they will come to overspread the state of Maine. Now, we can see that here is we have a lot of systems coming towards us over the next couple of days, and the reason for that is pretty cool. It has to do with these two areas of high pressure, one which is off the coast of North Carolina, and another one which is just near Quebec. You can kind of see those circles right there, and that what's essentially doing is funneling the precipitation right towards New England, which means we're going to get a lot of days of precipitation over the next couple of days, but overall, these systems aren't especially strong, nor do they have a lot of moisture associated with them. So we can see that here on the hour-by-hour forecast. Over the next few hours, we'll start to see some of those snow showers begin to overspread the state. Overall, they're going to be pretty light and scattered in nature, so we aren't expecting a lot of accumulation with this. But the most accumulation will be seen in York and Cumberland counties and back into New Hampshire. Really kind of beyond those areas, we aren't going to see much snow showers at all from this system, so we're going to be pretty dry, all things considered there. Now, as we get later in the day on Wednesday, I think we could see a little bit of a disruption into the early commute because of those snow showers, but overall the rest of the day just looks to be pretty overcast. So right now we're looking at about 1 to 3 inches west of the Waterville area. I think if anything, 1 to 2 is probably a little bit closer. Some isolated spots may see 3 inches, but overall really just not a lot of moisture associated with this system. But we're not done with precipitation yet. In fact, we have another system coming through late in the day on Wednesday. I would say away from the coast is the best chance of seeing some of that freezing rain, which could cause some slick spots on the road. Closer to the coast, we're probably going to see just rain from this system, and then north of the Bangor area, seeing some snow showers as well, and that'll be late in the day on Wednesday into early Thursday morning. Now, this is going to be mostly out of our area by the time we get to the early morning commute, but I do want to emphasize that some of that freezing rain can cause some slick spots in the morning, so something to be cautious of for early Thursday morning. Most of the precipitation is out of our area by Thursday morning. This is Thursday at 7 a.m., but we are still seeing some showers up there. And then we have another system that's going to be coming through. So we got a lot of kind of areas of precip over the next couple of days. As we get into Friday, kind of a similar thing, but we do have a little bit more snow associated with this system, a little bit closer to the coast, and then rain right along the coast. So then that system goes through for the day on Friday. Saturday, we stay dry, but then Sunday, we have a larger system, which is a nor'easter, which we'll keep an eye on over the next couple of days. Seas 1 to 3 feet, water 41 degrees. So over the next 7 days, we're seeing a lot of days that have precipitation. Overall, it's not adding up to too much in total, but just kind of something to keep in mind, Brian and Amanda, especially the morning commutes for each of these days, because a lot of that precipitation will take place overnight. So just something to keep an eye on when going out early in the morning.
Okay, we will. Dana, thank you.